In today's fast-paced tech world, AI is transforming every industry, including software testing. In this video, we'll explore how two cutting-edge AI tools, Claude by Anthropic and Perplexity AI, can revolutionize software testing workflows. Claude AI, the versatile assistant. Claude, with its ability to process extensive context and reason effectively, is a game-changer for testers. Here's how it helps. 1. Code generation and debugging. Claude can create test scripts for frameworks like Selenium or Junit and identify errors in existing ones. Example: need a test for a login page? Claude writes and optimizes it in seconds. 2. Automated test maintenance. Its self-healing capabilities adjust scripts to changes in the application UI. 3. Scenario simulation. Claude anticipates edge cases and boundary tests for robust coverage. 4. Comprehensive reporting. Generates detailed logs and insights, making issue tracking effortless. Perplexity AI, the knowledge powerhouse. This can excels in retrieving and synthesizing information to assist testers dynamically. 1. Test strategy, design. It recommends tools and techniques tailored to your project. Example: need to test a React-based app? Perplexity suggests Cypress over Selenium for efficiency. 2. Real-time Q&A. Provides quick answers to troubleshooting queries and tool comparisons. 3. Comparative analysis helps choose the best fit tools, like deciding between Junit and TestNG for Java testing. Real-world impact. With AI tools like Claude and Perplexity, testers can save time, reduce errors, and ensure higher quality releases. They simplify repetitive tasks, enhance test coverage, and optimize your overall QA process.